In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Chime Support Me to your Cash app. So first thing you need to do is open up your Chime app and then log in your account. After this, you need to click on this gear icon or the setting icon at the top. After that, from the settings, you have to select the direct deposit option and then you will see your Chime account routing number and account number. So you have to copy this details somewhere safe because this will needed in the later on this video. So just get these details from your Chime app, and once you have it, you need to open up your Cash app. After this, you need to click on this profile icon from the top. Now from this screen, you have to click on this links banks option. After you do that, you will see these two options, link bank and link credit card. So you have to tap on this link bank. Then this will open up this window. So from here you have to click on this continue button. Then from this screen you have to click on this Chime option, and after that you have to enter your Chime routing number and account number that you have get it that we got from the Chime app earlier. So just enter these details in this section, and once you do that, your bank account, your Chime bank account will be linked to your Cash app. Now once your Chime account has been linked, you need to open up your Cash app, and then this time you have to click on this balance that is showing at the bottom. It can show you the home icon or the balance depending on the version of your Cash app. Just click on it. After that, it will show you this screen. So from here you have to click on this add money option. Then from this screen, select the amount that you want to add in your Cash app from the Chime Support Me. So you can just select any of this predefined amount, or you can click on this three dots to enter the amount by yourself. Then this will take you to this screen where you can enter any amount and then click on this add button. After that, it will ask you to select a payment method. So in payment method, you have to select the Chime account that we have linked earlier in our Cash app, and then you need to complete the transfer. And once you do that, your money will be transferred to your Cash app from your Chime Support Me. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.